Public speaking. It's been said there's 3 types of speakers. Those who admit to being nervous, those who claim not to be nervous, and then the 3rd type, liars. I'm Lance Courtney, your host of Shot of Juice, coming at you in 3, 2, 1. I've been asked a lot about public speaking and presenting and training and how do you do it? Listen, if you're nervous, it's okay. It just means that you care. However, it is a craft, so you do want to practice it. However, the myth that I want to dispel is it's not about learning your dialogue. I'm talking to you right now with no notes, no dialogue, no teleprompter, and I can honestly and passionately tell you what you first want to do is understand what your message is going to be. And rather than practice the words, focus on what the intention is. Focus on what it is you want the audience to walk away with. What do you want them knowing, seeing, feeling, and experiencing? That's the first thing you want to do. It's a feeling, it's a vibe, it's an intention. Your message that you want to deliver to people, it first comes from within you. Then you can wordsmith it. And once you've wordsmithed it, you want to contextualize it. What does that mean? The context is the container. The content is all the stuff inside of it. You contextualize it. Add stories, visuals, punctuation, sight, sound, sync, dress it up, music. We do spend an inordinate amount of time crafting this skill and practicing and practicing and practicing. And if there's one thing I could leave you with, it's what I do before I get on any big stage or I present to an audience or to a group or I am leading a presentation that actually really passionately matters to me. I don't practice the words. I actually get out of my head by getting into my body. I'll pull out my iPhone and I will say everything that I need to say as perfectly as I possibly can. I'll record it and then I'll simply listen to it a couple times without saying anything. I'm not trying to memorize it. As I'm listening to the dialogue, I'm just getting into my body. Am I throwing my hand up? What am I saying? How am I actually being in a way that feels authentic to me? Words to the wise and a warning. The written word is for the eye, and the spoken word is for the rhythm. So you can sit behind your computer for hours at a time, putting your pretty little words together. However, it's really when you stand up and deliver those words, that's when it has punctuation, because that's when it becomes real. Practice, practice, practice. And in addition to practicing and word crafting and wordsmithing and contextualizing your message, deliver it with authenticity by getting out of your head, getting into your body. I'm Lance Courtney, and this is your Shot of Juice.